Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick review, I'm gonna be reviewing the Eureka E20 Plus robot vacuum. So whether you should purchase this new arrival or not, this is what we will be finding out in this video. So as you can see that currently I'm on Amazon.com and this product received 4.5 stars rating out of 5, where 73% gave it 5-star ratings and 16% people gave it 4-star rating, which in my opinion is one of the best things. You can even click on the ratings section and you can see the real-time photos of the product that people have purchased, and then you can even read the reviews of the people, what people are saying about it, why are they liking the product, why are they not liking the product, and then you can make up your mind why you should go for it. So if I read the review for you, I'm really impressed with this robot vacuum. The sleek design and the powerful functionality makes it a standout. I summarized the following points. Cleaning performance: the suction is incredibly strong, easily handling all floor types including carpets and tiles. It cleans thoroughly, even picking up dust in the corners. There is also a small water tank inside, which can be used to clean the swept floor. The smart navigation: it automatically maps out the cleaning route and has excellent obstacle avoidance. It maneuvers around furniture with ease, avoiding getting stuck. Battery life: the long lasting battery covers my entire home in one go, so I don't need to recharge it frequently. So as you can see for yourself that this person is liking the product very much. Similar is the case with the other people. So if you want to purchase it, I will put the best buying link of it down in the description, where you can read the about this item section and you can come to know all of the features that this vacuum is providing to you. So that was it for this video. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.